Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the brand new Yeezy 700s. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna get this started by opening up the box. Alright guys, so first things first, right on the box, get rid of that ugly 350 and put a 700 on it. This already looks pretty good. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Honestly guys, it's so great to see something else besides 350 because we've all been saying that for so long. I'm getting sick of it. And right out of the box, honestly, one of the best dad shoes out right now. 300 is kind of pricey for retail, but I mean resale right now is probably like $570 or something like that. So these are pretty good for me since I got a few pairs. And honestly, this is a pretty hot shoe. I love the semi-frozen yellow laces and that orange hit right there. That's freaking hot. One thing that I didn't notice by looking at these in the pictures is how much they utilize suede. I mean, there's suede here on the toe cap, on the sides is suede, and on the back is suede. Also here and here. There's just a lot of suede. And soft leather too. Actually, this isn't suede, it just looks like it. But this is super soft, buttery leather. And it does have some mesh here. And it does use, this looks like permanent, but it's just mesh here. And really nice shoe. The bottoms, I haven't seen the bottoms in any pictures or anything, but if you guys want to see them, they're right there. As you guys can see in these little pockets, you can see the boost. I thought it was just going to be a flat shoe, but it's not. And overall, just one of the better Yeezys to come out in recent time, especially because there's Yeezy 350 semi-frozen yellows, like the McChickens, look so freaking ugly. And these kind of make up for that, because even though these are a dad shoe and not everyone's on that wave, they're still a lot nicer than those. If you saw someone in public with these, you wouldn't be looking at them what the hell are you wearing? But overall, good shoe. Kind of pricey. The traction on these actually looks pretty terrible. But yeah, other than that, a good shoe, a good stylish shoe. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.